what are the advantages of studying in Italy?
Well, in Italy, like it is not a regular study program we are offering. We are offering one.
Hi everyone, my name is Tony and I am Executive Director of GEMM Consulting Services Pvt Limited. Today we have our Director Marketing, Ms. Geeta Subharajan. She has over 20 years of experience in study abroad profession. So welcome, and how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. Thank you for inviting me.
So let me ask my first question. Why study in Italy and settle down in Europe?
Italy is one of the top country in Europe. The students who are traveling from here, they enter with Schengen visas. The student can travel with Schengen country, 26 countries in Europe.
Oh, great, that's nice. So what are the programs available?
Programs are, well, Tony, programs available are hospitality, culinary arts, then we talk about baking and pastry.
Baking and pastry.
Yes, and gastronomy. Every day we are enjoying the cuisines, Italian cuisines. Okay, so all these programs are very popular. We are offering it.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so let me ask you this. When can a student join?
Here in Italy, we offer multiple intakes. The student can join Jan or Feb or April or May or August and September, or they can offer or join by October, November. It's throughout the year the intakes are available.
Right, so means like there are multiple intakes available.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Okay. Okay, so what are the advantages of studying in Italy?
Well, in Italy, like it is not a regular study program we are offering. We are offering what 95% of practical education.
Okay.
We could say like out of 4 months of study, okay, 35 to 40% they will be studying theoretical part, remaining 60 to 70% they will be studying on a practical exposure on campus, and then followed with integral part of internship for the students. While they are in the internship, they will be having a realistic experiences. They will be working and they will be genuinely getting it.
That's great. So thank you, Geeta madam, for giving us our valuable time. And if you have any message for our students, please.
Thank you. The students can reach out to us to the below mentioned numbers if they have query regards to the application process, visa process and scholarship opportunities.
So hurry now, grab the opportunity. Thank you.